Hi all, welcome to my another video. In our last video we saw how to break inheritance and assign unique permission. This is a continuation of part 1. So I have provided the link below. Please watch before continuing with part 2. In that video we broke the inheritance for finance folder. So here you can see in our last video we just broke the inheritance. So now this is a unique permission. So today in our video we will see how we can add group to this finance document library. So here in our people and group, here you can see I have created one more group, that is fin group, so finance group. So let me go to our Power Automate. So first, if you want to assign a group in the finance library, we have to do one post REST query. So let me open how we can do that. So here you can see, so this is the query to add group to our finance document library. So here you can see API verb list get by title. Here you can provide your document library name, then role assignment, add role assignment, and here principal ID and role def ID. So how we can get the principal ID? So I will show you how we can get the principal ID. So to get the principal ID, we have to pass the get REST query. Like here we have to pass our group name. So let me copy this one. We will see how we can do this. So let me open our get the principal ID. So send HTTP request to SharePoint. So here we will select our site address. Now we will pass the URL. Here we have to give our group name. So let me check my group name. It is fin group. Let me copy this one. So here let me paste this. So fin group ID. So now let me save this one. I'm going to test this one. So manually. The flow ran successfully. Here we can see we will get the ID. So let me grab ID from this one. So we have two options. One is we can get through parse JSON, and the other one we can use expression. So let me use expression. So before that, let me rename this one. So like get principal ID. Okay, now we will get the compose action. Here we will write our expression. So let me copy this one. Our body, where is our body? Get principal ID body. Let me copy. I will remove this one. Let me add the expression. So we will get that ID from body, then we have to get from D, then ID. So let me add that ID. Okay, save. So let me test this. So here you can see we'll get the ID 29. So now we will get our actual REST query to assign the group. So let me open this one. We have to get the role def ID. So the role def ID we will get from MSJN, and I have given here. So like for full control we have to pass this value, for contribute we have to pass this, and for read we have to pass this. Copy this one. Now we will add another HTTP request. So let me search HTTP request. So this is to assign group. Let me just change this. So now here we will select the site address. So we have to pass the URL. Here we have to get the value from compose. So let me just add compose, and role definition ID we will copy from this. So let me just copy for full control. Now we will paste here. So now we have to change the method to post. Let me save. We will refresh our finance. So nothing is here. So now I am going to run the Power Automate. So let me just test. So our flow ran successfully. So now let me just refresh the finance again. So here you can see the group get added.